This week we make a custom Valentine's Day cocktail with a Tiki twist. Stick around.
CF Records presents 80's Love Ballads.
I wanna know what rum is.
A cocktail of unforgettable love songs that go down smooth.
Rum lifts us up where we belong. I will be right here waiting for booze.
This 2 CD or cassette collection of 80's classics will lift your spirits.
My rum, my endless rum.
Don't wait until it's last call. Here's how to order.
Happy Valentine's Day, cocktail lovers. Well, it's that time of year to whip up a pink hue cocktail with a romantic appropriate theme, and we've got a really flavorful one that will put some blush in your cheeks, the 80's Love Ballad. This recipe is our own riff on an original cocktail by Joe Farrell called 80's Rock Ballad. You can check out his original recipe plus his other recipes at his Instagram page of @Joe'sHappyHour. Now, we've done our best to maintain the integrity of his cocktail by shuffling around some of the elements a bit. We've swapped the vanilla vodka for pineapple rum, swapped the pineapple juice for grapefruit, swapped the grapefruit bitters for orange bitters, which should help keep that orange flavor influence of the Aperol that we've swapped for Campari. Ultimately, it comes together to make a flavor-packed, pink hue, tiki-style cocktail for this romantic holiday. Before we jump in, just a quick reminder to subscribe if you haven't already, and consider hitting us with a like. It really helps out the channel. All right, let's start with a ½ ounce of lime juice, 3/4 ounce of grapefruit juice, a ½ ounce of simple syrup, a ½ ounce of passion fruit syrup, we're using Liquid Alchemist in this case, a ½ ounce of Campari that's going to give us that red color while also offsetting that sweetness, 2 ounces of pineapple rum, we're using Planaray's Stiggins, and finally 5 dashes of orange bitters. All right, let's pour this into our shaker. Add several ice cubes to chill, dilute, and integrate. Shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. Also, this sounds cool. All right, let's serve this in a chilled double rocks glass, filled up with some crushed ice. Now, just strain it in. Look at that nice pink color, very festive. So we're actually going to garnish this with some angostura bitters on top to give it a little more spice aroma and some red color. And finally, a little dehydrated grapefruit wheel in the back. Why not? It's pretty. Stick a straw in, and there it is. 80's Love Ballad. Let's give it a little shot. Yeah, it's an appropriately sweet cocktail for a sugar-rich holiday. You've got that simple and the passion fruit syrup up against that Campari, which is helping balance it out so it's not too sweet. And then the pineapple rum really bringing it together while you've got those bitters in there, helping to add some nice aromas. It's nice. Well, I hope you all enjoy this recipe. Let us know what you think of it in the comments below, and also let us know what your favorite Valentine's Day cocktail is. Also, don't forget to check out Joe Farrell's version of the cocktail. It is definitely worth a try. Until next time, cheers.
To order 80's Love Ballads, call 1-800-555-4905 or send check or money order to 80's Love Ballads, P.O. Box 1983, Los Angeles, California 90024. Or do nothing since it doesn't really exist. Sorry, no CODs.